This Ninja French Door Premier 3-in-1 air fryer, convection oven, and toaster, FO101, represents a thoughtful evolution in countertop cooking appliances. Designed for households that want professional-level performance without sacrificing style or kitchen space, this model combines speed, capacity, and versatility in a single premium unit. With its distinctive French door design, powerful cyclonic air technology, and PFAS-free cooking surfaces, the Ninja French Door Premier positions itself as a serious upgrade for families, entertainers, and everyday home cooks alike. At first glance, the design alone sets this appliance apart. The dual French doors open simultaneously with one smooth pull, offering easy access to the interior while adding a refined, modern look to the countertop. This design is not just aesthetic. It also improves usability by allowing users to place or remove food without awkward maneuvering. The compact footprint is balanced by a generously sized interior, making it possible to prepare large meals without crowding or uneven cooking. Performance is where the Ninja French Door Premier truly excels. Powered by 450 degrees Fahrenheit cyclonic air technology, the oven circulates hot air at high speed to ensure fast, even cooking across all racks. This eliminates the need to rotate trays during baking, roasting, or air frying. Compared to traditional ovens, cooking times are significantly reduced, and preheating is remarkably fast. The result is consistent browning, crisp textures, and evenly cooked food from edge to edge. One of the standout advantages of this appliance is its exceptional air frying capacity. The included 5-quart air fry basket can handle up to 5 pounds of food, making it ideal for family-sized portions. Whether you are preparing fries, wings, vegetables, or snacks for guests, the basket provides ample space while maintaining airflow for crisp results. Unlike smaller air fryers that require multiple batches, this model allows you to cook larger quantities in one go, saving both time and energy. Versatility is another defining feature. With 10-in-1 cooking functions, the Ninja French Door Premier adapts effortlessly to a wide range of culinary tasks. From air frying and air roasting to baking, broiling, dehydrating, and toasting, the appliance replaces several countertop devices at once. This makes it especially appealing for kitchens with limited space or for users who want to streamline their cooking setup without compromising capability. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate the ability to achieve crispy, satisfying textures with significantly less oil than traditional frying. The advanced air circulation system allows foods to cook evenly while reducing excess fat, making everyday meals lighter without sacrificing flavor or crunch. Combined with the PFAS-free non-toxic cooking surfaces, this ensures peace of mind for users who prioritize safer materials in their kitchen. Ease of use is clearly built into the design. The control interface is intuitive, allowing users to select cooking modes and temperatures without confusion. Preset functions simplify daily cooking, while manual adjustments provide flexibility for custom recipes. The included accessories, such as the sheet pan, wire rack, broil rack, and air fry basket, are thoughtfully designed to support different cooking styles and are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup straightforward and hassle-free. From an SEO standpoint, this appliance naturally aligns with high-intent search phrases such as French door air fryer oven, Ninja air fryer toaster oven, large capacity air fryer, and convection oven air fryer combo. Its blend of premium design, performance, and safety features makes it a strong contender in the upper tier of countertop cooking appliances. Key features and benefits: large capacity air frying suitable for family-sized meals. 450 degrees Fahrenheit cyclonic air technology for fast, even cooking. 10-in-1 functionality replaces multiple kitchen appliances. French door design for easy access and modern aesthetics. PFAS-free cooking surfaces for safer meal preparation. Dishwasher-safe accessories for effortless cleanup. Pros and cons. Pros: exceptional cooking speed with even, reliable results. Large air fry capacity reduces the need for multiple batches. Elegant French door design enhances usability and style. Healthier cooking with less oil and non-toxic surfaces. Easy cleanup with dishwasher-safe components. Cons: larger footprint may not suit very small countertops. Premium features may exceed basic cooking needs for some users. Learning curve for users new to multifunction ovens. Final verdict. The Ninja French Door Premier Air Fryer Oven FO101 is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a powerful, versatile, and visually striking countertop appliance. It delivers professional quality results with minimal effort, making it suitable for busy families, home entertainers, and cooking enthusiasts alike. Its combination of speed, capacity, and thoughtful design sets it apart from standard air fryers and toaster ovens. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and explore everything this appliance can do. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.